1. Equipment display. 2. Preparation tools, a set of inner twist to play hand. 3. The signal line on the control box is connected to the T interface. 4. The heating line on the control box is connected to the T interface. 5. Connect the heating line of the control box to the heating line of the host. Six. Connect the signal line of the control box to the signal line of the host. 7. Connect the vacuum tube. 8. Insert the power plug on the side of the control box. 9. Insert the power plug on the side of the device, slide right to open the blue air source switch, unscrew the pressure regulating valve upwards, turn clockwise, until the pressure gauge pointer on the operation panel reaches around 0.5 MPa. Press to close the pressure regulation valve. Ten. Turn on the power switch and emergency stop switch on the equipment panel. Set the temperature 180-195 degrees Celsius on the upper and lower thermostats. Set the time on the timer 3-4S and set the vacuum degree on the vacuum device -70 to -90. 11. Take a battery cell to be pre-sealed and adjust the fixing strip according to the top of the airbag on the sealing knife. After the temperature rises to the set value, take the battery core to be pre-sealed. The airbag bag faces inward, and the gradient side of the battery core enters the cavity downwards. Visually check that the top of the airbag bag just crosses the sealing knife. Press with both hands with the green switch button. The vacuum box lid is closed downwards, and the vacuum box lid is automatically vacuumed and pre-sealed according to the set value. After completion, the vacuum box lid automatically rises. Manually remove the pre-sealed battery cell. It is visually observed that the top of the airbag bag is tightly sealed and no electrolyte overflows. 13. Continuous operation display. 14. Product display.
Thank you for watching. Need assistance or purchase? You can contact us through the page information. Wish you a happy life.